Hey, it's Avery here, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal, hands down, the best way to make up to $100 a day with affiliate marketing without a website. So if you're watching this video right now and you don't have a website, you don't have any following built up, you don't want to, put yourself out there, or, get on camera or show your face or anything along those lines, but you want to start making some money with affiliate marketing, then this is going to be the video for you, right? So in this video, I'm going to reveal what is hands down the best system that you can plug into, even if you're someone who's completely brand new, even if you have no following built up, and even if you're non-technical, right? So what I'm going to show you in this video is not only working for people who are veterans in the industry, but also for people who are completely brand new. And I'm super excited to share this with you, right? So let's not waste any more time and dive right in. Alright, so before I reveal all the details of exactly how this all works and how to get up and running, I want to first and foremost show you exactly what is possible when you are leveraging exactly what members like myself and other members in this group are using, right? So here's a member by the name of Earl something right here, Earl Make It Happen right here, and he just made a $100 commission, $100 in a single day with this exact system right here. You have other members in here, such as Mac Mills. He made a $2,000 commission, $2,000 in a single day. And this is great for you, not just if you want $100 a day, but you could also make much bigger commissions inside of here, which is also really great as well, right? So if you're looking to also make some high ticket commissions like $1,000 a day or $2,000 a day, then this is also really great for that. But it's also really great for creating monthly recurring income, right? So if you were looking to make, monthly recurring commissions where you, for one member, and every single month, as long as they remain a member, you get paid every single month. This is also really great for that. In fact, here's a member by the name of Victor. He's making monthly recurring commissions as well as annual commissions as well. So $20 a month, as well as $180 per year that he's receiving as well. And also, if you're someone who is looking to have more consistent, predictable income coming in every single month so that you could fully assure that you are, bills are going to be paid at the end of the month, and you're looking for something that will give you, repeat buyers, or they're going to keep coming in and buying, over and over again, then that's also what this program is really great for as well. In fact, just recently I had my very first ever $1,000 a day with this exact system, and I'm going to show you, which just excites me even more, right? So I was super excited when this notification came in. I remember the exact moment. It was like 1 or 2 a.m. I was like shaving or something like that, and then I just happened to get a notification on my phone saying like, boom, you made this $1,000 sale to your PayPal. Kind of like, what? Like, I nearly screamed at that moment, but it was like 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning, right? So that was pretty crazy right there. But anyways, let's answer the question. What exactly are all these people using that are allowing them to have phenomenal results online, and how exactly does this all work, right? So all these members right here, myself, Sam, Victor, Mac, Earl, all these other guys that are having results of this program, we're all using a system that is allowing us to earn from multiple streams of income, right? So what's really great about this exact system, and not only are you able to earn from multiple streams of income, but what's really great about this is that 90% of the work is done for you, right? So typically when you go out there and you promote other products off like ClickBank or Digistore24, any other marketplace out there, you have to learn quite a few things in order to really start having long-term success online, right? So you have to learn how to build up your own sales funnels. You have to learn how to write your own emails. You have to learn how to record your own sales videos and do all these other types of things. But with this exact program right here, majority of the work is done for you, right? So you don't have to build out your own sales funnels or write your own emails or anything along those lines, because the system actually provides done for you capture pages and sales videos that you can simply plug into, right? So the only thing you really have to do here is simply driving traffic, right? So what you'll want to do is, once you go through here and you get everything set up, you'll simply want to drive traffic to any of these capture pages right here. And whenever someone comes to any of these pages and they simply opt in, they want to watch a video, they're going to have to enter their first name and email to, of course, get access to the exact video. And once they, decide to buy into the program or any of the other income streams inside of here, you're going to get credited for all those sales from all those different income streams, right? So that's really great about this. And I want to show you, I'll kind of show you a little bit more a little bit later on in terms of how to promote this exact program. But first and foremost, I want to show you in terms of how to get everything set up and how to really maximize your results, right? So inside the program, once you get in, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to follow the 4 simple steps that are inside of here, right? So this is set up in a way where even if you're completely brand new, you never done any sort of marketing online before, or even if you are non-technical, this is created for the people who are completely brand new and have no prior experience, right? So really all you want to do is you want to just follow the 4 simple steps that you have here. So step 1, watch the video, join the Facebook group. Step 2, this is the most important one. This is where you'll set up your different income streams, right? So with this program right here, you've got 4 income streams. The first income stream allows you to earn these monthly recurring commissions right here, right? So if you want to get access to this exact program right here, this entire system, you could simply do so by, visiting the link down below, and you can get access to this entire system for only $49 a month, which in my opinion, it's just a complete drop in the bucket compared to the earning potential. But when you promote this as an affiliate and someone signs up to income stream number 1, you will get paid $20 from them every single month as long as they remain a member. There is an additional annual plan if they want to do that as well, which you'll get these other commissions as well. But aside from that, this is really great for creating recurring income online. You have income stream number 2, which is a program by the name of Easy One Up, and this is really great because it has product packages ranging from as little as $25 all the way up to $2,000. And what makes this even better is that this is one of the very few affiliate programs out there that's willing to pay you full 100% commissions, meaning that when you make a sale and someone decides to buy any product packages through you, you get paid that full 100% commission, and it's paid out instantly, right? So you don't have to wait, like a week or 2 weeks or like a month to get your money. You get that pretty much paid out instantly, and that's what really makes this program really great, right? So Easy One Up is a solid company, been around for many years, and it's performing very well for affiliates, both who are brand new and also for veterans in the industry, right? So Easy One Up is definitely one that I recommend getting into, and what I always recommend is coming in at the highest level that you can afford, right? Because this is going to allow yourself to really position yourself to get the maximum earnings per each sale, and you're just going to have much more training and support for the long term, right? So income stream number 3 is a program by the name of TextBot AI. This is a really cool SMS marketing tool. It has a $100 level and a $500 level. Again, similar to Easy One Up, you got 100% commissions, paid out instantly however you want, PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, whatever you like to use. And it's another really great income stream right here, right? So this is also performing very well for a lot of members, and it's one that I recommend checking out as well. But then you have income stream number 4, which is a program by the name of Traffic Authority, right? So this is really great if you want to not only earn commissions from, you could earn some quite big commissions from, but it's also really great for using it to promote the exact program itself, right? So when it comes to, once you have everything set up inside of the program, then it really comes down to promoting any of these links right here, right? So the name of the game is getting eyeballs to any of these capture pages that they give you right here. So, if you want to, you can promote this one right here. And all you'll want to do is simply focus on getting as much traffic to any of these pages as consistent as possible, right? So you could simply do that by tapping into this traffic source right here called Traffic Authority. And all you really have to do here is you don't have to worry about, writing any sort of emails right here, or, doing any sort of copywriting or recording any videos or setting up an ad yourself. All you have to do is simply pay for the clicks that you want. So you go in here, you select the package that you want to buy. Of course, the more you pay, the more clicks you get. So you just select the package you want. You scroll down here, you provide the link to your capture page link, right? So you go in here, you provide the link to one of these capture pages, you put it inside of this field right here, and then you simply just complete the order, you pay for the clicks, and then they will start doing all the marketing for you. They're going to start promoting your link on your behalf, and they're going to get people, targeted visitors, over to your capture page link, right? In fact, I have active order running with them myself. I just recently set this up yesterday actually, and so far out of 1,000 clicks that I ordered, they sent 20 so far, right? So they're currently marketing this entire system for me, and I don't have to do anything to really get people to this exact page. Of course, you could always follow up with them, you could write your own emails, but even if you don't want to do that, the system is doing that for you, right? So someone opts in, the system's going to of course follow up with those leads consistently, and whether they buy right away or if they buy a month down the road, you're still going to get credited for all those exact sales right there, right? So in order to really have success with this program, the only thing that you really need to do is focus on getting eyeballs to any of these capture pages right here. And my question to you is, if you're on this video right now and all you had to do to have success with affiliate marketing without a website and be able to earn big commissions is simply focus on generating traffic online, can you see yourself having success with this exact program? I mean, the answer should really be a no-brainer, because this is something that, you can simply buy traffic if you want to, or you could use an organic source like Facebook or YouTube, right? So there's plenty of ways you could drive traffic, but the key is focusing on one strategy and just focusing on that consistently, right? The more consistent that you are, then the better results you're going to have in the long term. Now, with that being said, I do have some really cool bonuses for you that I want to, of course, offer you when you decide to get started right now and you join through the link down below, right? So when you get started with this exact system right here through the link or the button down below, the first bonus that you're going to get access to from me is you're going to get access to my exclusive training that's going to show you how to really maximize your results of this program. I'm going to show you how to shorten the learning curve and how to really get the best out of this exact program right here, right? So inside this exclusive training right here, I show you everything in terms of how to get up and running, how to get in the right mindset, how to set everything up properly. I also show you how to set up your done-for-you funnels, which brings me to another bonus I'll of course be going over in a bit. I'm going to show you how to become unique in terms of how to build your own funnels if you want to have more control, if you want to be able to write your own emails, and of course do your own follow-ups and kind of position yourself as someone that's unique. Then that is what this training will go over here. And I'm also going to show you the best ways of driving traffic, right? So in addition to this traffic source right here, I'm also going to be going over some ways in terms of how you could drive traffic through, like, Facebook or YouTube, getting free traffic online, which is also really great. And it's going to allow you to have a, bit of an advantage because you'll have much more traffic coming in, right? So again, the more traffic you have, the better, the more leads, and the more leads you have, then the more sales you will have in the long term, right? The next bonus you get access to here, and I already kind of mentioned this, is the done for you funnels that I put together myself. So if you literally want to just copy everything that I'm doing, if you want to copy the entire capture pages, the entire, sales videos and the training and the, all the lead mags that I'm providing to my members, then that's another bonus you'll get access to when you get inside of this training right here. And these videos right here, they show you how to set it all up. It takes like a couple minutes to do. Pretty simple to do. The only thing that you have to do is you just want to, when you replicate the entire page, all you'll have to do is simply change the link of the button on here. So by default, this goes to my affiliate link, but you could actually change this to where it goes to your link. And then whenever someone decides to go through here, they watch my free training, they check out the program, this will be your link that they go to, right? So rather than them going to me, they'll click on this button and you'll still get credited for that exact sale, as well as all the other sales inside this program, right? So this is the first bonus you're going to get access to when you decide to partner up with me through the link down below, and you get started today. Now I have some additional bonuses for you and these are going to be specifically for if you come in at the Vertex Live level inside of VZ1UP. So when you come in at the very highest level and you decide to position yourself to get these high-tech commissions online, not only will this be great for if you want to earn these high-tech commissions, but you'll also have access to these additional bonuses for me, such as you're going to get access to the personal bi-weekly coaching. So if you want that additional ongoing support, if you want to be able to attend live events with myself and one or two other mentors that of course help myself, then you'll be able to tune into these trainings right here. You could ask questions, you can get help whenever you need it, and that's exactly what this training will be for right there. You'll also get access to the YouTube selling system. This is really great for you if you want to generate high quality traffic online, and this is the exact traffic source right here that allowed me to have my first major breakthrough online. I'll never forget the day. I remember coming home from work, checking my phone, and there were two sales in there that both equaled up to like $722 in one set. I remember the exact number, by the way, and I'll never forget that moment. It just completely changed my life, and that was with this exact traffic source right here. So if you want to learn free traffic that's high quality, and if you want to learn how to get high quality people through YouTube, that's exactly what this training will go over here. You'll also get access to the Facebook ads training. If you want to learn how you get high quality traffic with Facebook ads, then you can simply plug into this training right here. You'll also get access to the massive traffic formula, and this will show you how to get high quality traffic from solo ads, right? So if you want to learn this method, you can simply plug into Paulo Barosa's method right here. This is a 7-figure earner that used this exact method right here, and you can simply just leverage exactly what he's doing, right? You'll also get access to the massive ManyChat profits, and this is a really cool way on how to follow up with your leads using Facebook Messenger. So it's not like you're following up with people one-on-one, where you just reach out to them and you just say like, hey, how's it going, or something like that. This is a really cool way. And now you can follow up with multiple people at a time just by sending out one broadcast message, right? So it's much like having an email list, but instead of Facebook, Messenger. And it's really powerful because the open rate is much better than emails, right? So you could plug into that right there. You'll also get access to the Ultimate Facebook Chat Mastery. And if you want to learn organic Facebook marketing, if you want to learn how to get free traffic that's also high quality and also very fast, this is the exact training that you want to plug into. This is going to show you how to build up a following on Facebook, how to set up your profile in a way that attracts people to you and say like, hey, I see what you're all about. I see that you're providing lots of value. This will show you how to connect with people one-on-one. This will show you how to, reach out to people and that type of stuff. And it's a great way to get people reaching out to you and saying, hey, I want to join your program. I want to see what you're all about. I want to actually work with you, right? So you'll have people reaching out to you in Messenger saying, I want to join this program specifically through you. Think about that for a minute. Isn't that powerful? So that's exactly what this training right here goes over, exactly how to do that. And you'll also get access to some email swipes. You'll learn hypnotic storytelling. Got the most important ingredient for success. He's got some really cool mindset training right here. And then there's other really great ebook right here that was made by one of my friends here called How to Create a Crystal Clear Vision for Your Future, right? So if you want to get access to these bonuses right here, all you have to do is simply get started, right now at the link down below. You want to go through the exact program. And when you get in, you're going to have access to all of my bonuses right here. But if you join at the Vertex Live level, then you're also going to get access to these bonuses, and you'll just have much more support for the long term, right? So anyways, if you see an opportunity for yourself, you want to get up and running, you're like, I'm ready to go, then go ahead, click the link or the button down below, get started today, and I'll see you on the inside. Anyways, take care.